Hello and welcome back. This is Paulomi, and today, what to prepare, right? Well, today we are in a mood to have something little tangy. Today I'm thinking of making the Taco Bell in Desi style. So let's see how I make it. So to make the stuffing, I have taken here some chicken mince and chopped onion, chopped garlic. So here I just heated the oil and added chopped garlic and chopped onion. That's all. And now I'll be putting the chicken. I didn't fry the onion for long. I added the chicken, and now I'll wait for white color of the chicken. Once the chicken turns like white and it will make the small lumps, then I'll be adding some masalas. Well, now you can see chicken has turned to white color. So now I'll be adding the masalas. I'll be adding only some red chili powder, jeera powder and salt, sugar. That's all. Added very little turmeric powder as well and ginger garlic paste. And so this is done almost, and it has got nice tangy look. Well, this is done. So now I'll keep this aside and let it cool for some time, and as you can see this has got nice tangy look. On the other side I made this dough also ready. This is nothing but simple dough which we make for paratha and all. So that's all. But yes, I haven't added any ajwain and all. It's just I have made with maida and little bit of oil, salt, sugar, that's all, and made the dough with water. So nothing special. But yes, if you want, you can make the dough with even normal only atta, or even the maida atta mixed, or only maida. So here I have taken only maida. Well, here you can see I am making the parathas, but again it's without oil. Even it can be made with oil, I mean frying in oil, but then in that case as well oil should be used very less, maybe 1 small teaspoon per paratha, not more than that. So I am doing without oil. So now I have taken one paratha, on that I have put some mayonnaise. So in this case, if you don't want to use mayonnaise, then you can use even tomato ketchup as well. Now on this I have put that chicken keema, the chicken stuffing. So this, as you can see, I have put on the half portion because I'll have to fold it. So before I fold, I am gonna put some cheese on this. That's all, nothing else, and fold it. So this is done. Now I'll put this for grilling, and I'll brush some butter from top and even on the other side as well. Finally I put this for grilling. I closed it. We'll wait for some time. Well, my taco is grilled already, so here you can see. I'll just take this out. So you all have seen how I made it. Now this Taco Bell, I made it in a little desi style. So because of that I made the chicken stuffing in full our with our Indian masalas and all. So and today we were looking for eating something tangy as well, heavy. which will serve as our dinner as well and snacks as well. So thinking that, I made this today, and it was really filling enough, and it was if you don't have the grilling option, then you can always fry the fry it. It should not be deep fried. Maybe with little oil you can fry, and that will also do. And in case if you wanna just put it in a oven, that also you can do. So it's nothing, just different mode gives different texture, and I personally prefer always grilling it, or baking it. I mean, putting in the microwave for just for few minutes. I don't really prefer frying it in the oil. I generally don't do much for maximum things. I don't do really. So do try, and let me know. And in case if you don't want the stuffing to be spicy, then you can always avoid these masalas. You can always go for only frying with some onion and chopped garlic. I mean, chopped garlic, chopped onion, and some black pepper. That's all you can do with that as well. So that's it. So do take care of yourself and your family. Eat well, stay healthy, and stay happy always, and be positive. So for now, bye bye.